ሰላም እንዴት ናችሁ? የዲ40 ኢኤፍ ዩቱብ ተከታታዮች በሙሉ ያው እንደሚታወቀው ሎጂክ እና ክሪቲካል ቲንኪንግ 30 ቾይስ እና ደግሞ 10 ትሩ ፎልስ ፋይናል ኤግዛም ከተለያዩ ቦታ ሰብስቤ አንድ ላይ መረጃ አድርጌ እንደዚህ አቅርብ ያለው ግሩፕ 1 ፓርት 1 ማለት ፓርት 1 እስከ 18 17 ጥያቄዎች ነው ያቀረብኩት። አሁን ደግሞ ከዚህ ቀጥሎ እስከ 30 ቾይዝ እና 10 ትሩ ፎልስን በሚከተለው መልክ አቀርባለሁ። እናንተም ከኔ ጋር እንድትሆኑ ዘንድ አመሰግናለሁ። ላይክ ሰብስክራይብ በማድረጉ ሼር እንድታደርጉ ዘንድ እጠይቃለሁ። ሞር ከዚህ በኋላ በተከታይነት ሁል ጊዜ በተለያዩ ኮርሶችን ለመምጣት እሞክራለሁ። ከ18ኛ ጀምሮ ሚስ ሪፕሬዘንቲንግ አን ኦፖነንትስ አርጉመንት ቱ ሜክ ኢዚየር ቱ አታክ ኮሚት ዘ ፋላሲ ኦፍ ኤ ሬድ ሄሪንግ ፋላሲ፣ ቢ ፎልስ ዲሊማ፣ ሲ ስትሮማን፣ ዲ ቤጊንግ ዘ ኩዌሽንስ። 18ኛ መልሱ ሲ ስትሮማን ፋላሲ ነው ማለት ነው። ስትሮማን ፋላሲ ሚስ ሪፕሬዘንቲንግ አታክ ኮሚት ኦፍ ዘ ፋላሲ ነው የሚያደርገው ማለት ነው። ኩዌሽን 19 an argument that draw conclusion different from one implied by premises comments A red herring, B missing the point, C equivocation, D amphibole. The answer is B missing the point or ኢግናሪሺዮ ሌንቺ የሚባል ምንድነው አርጉመንት ነው ማለት ነው። ኩዌሽን 20 diverting attention from the issue by changing the subject to subtles related to one is the fallacy of A Stroman fallacy, B red herring, C false accuse fallacy, D appeal to ignorance. 20 the answer is B red herring ነው ማለት ነው። this is diverting the attention from the subtle related ones. Doctor, the famous actor says this is herbal supplement cured his back pain, so it must be effective. This is a likely example of A appeal to unqualified authority, C state generalization, C appeal to ignorance, D slippery slope. Question number 21, the answer is A appeal to unqualified authority ነው። No one has ever proven that ghosts don't exist, so they must be real. This commitment is the fallacy of A state generalization, B false accuse, C appeal to ignorance, D weak analogy. 22 the answer is C appeal to ignorance. Question number 23. Drawing conclusion about the whole group based on small typical sample is A false cues, B hasty generalization, C convention, D accident. 23 the answer is B hasty generalization። ያው እንደምታወቀው ሁሉንም አንድ ላይ ምን ማለት ነው? ሀስት አድርጎ ሁሉንም አንድ ላይ የሀስት ማድረግ ነው፣ ማጠቃለል ነው፣ በትንሽም በትልቅም። Question number 24. Every time I wear my black sock, my team wins. Therefore, my sock cues the victory. This fallacy is A post hoc ergo propter hoc or false cause, B slippery slope, C appeal to ignorance, D accident. Number 24 is A. Post hoc ergo propter hoc. Number 24. If we allow students to redo this test, next they will demand to redo every assignment. Then they will expect to choose their own grades. Understand, the entire academic system will collapse. This is A false cues, B slippery slope, C weak analogy, D begging the question. Question number 25. The answer is B slippery slope. Slippery slope. Number 26. Arguing that two things are likely in one's respect and therefore must be alike in the other. When the similarity is insufficient, comments A. Weak false dictum, B. Weak analogy, C. Equivocation, D. Hyperbole. Number 26, the answer is B. Weak analogy. Weak analogy. Question number 27. Question number 27. An argument that assumes the truth of what it is supposed to prove, often by using circular reasoning. Comments. A. Begging the question. B. Complex question. C. Suppressed evidence. D. Equivocation. Number 27's answer is A. The begging the question or pentatio principia የሚባል argument ነው ማለት ነው። 28. Have you stopped paralogizing your statements? This question is fallacious because it is A. Begging the question, B. Complex question, C. False dictum, D. Red herring. The answer is 27 is B. Complex question. Complex question. Number 29. You are either with us in this world or you are with the Trinities. This presents a false choice in the comment is the fallacy of A. False dictum, B. Suppressed evidence, C. Equivocation, D. Accident. Number 29, the answer is A. False dictum. False dictum. 30, the last one. Note to the end. I will continue to back again. Rest one. Using a word in two different senses in an argument commits the fallacy of A. Hyperbole, B. Equivocation, C. Composition, D. Division. Using a word in two different senses in an argument commits of the fallacy of A. Hyperbole, B. Equivocation, C. Convention, D. Division. The answer is B. ውድ ቤተሰብ ያው እስካሁን 30 የመጨረሻ ላይ ደርሰናል። ይሄ መጨረሻ አይደለም ግን ለዛሬው ለጥያቄው መጨረሻ የቾይዝ ፓርት ነው። እንደሚታወቀው አሁን እያወራን ያለ ነው የሎጂክ ክሪቲካል ቲንኪንግ ላይ የሆነ ሴንቴንሶች መጨረሻቸው ብዙም አይታዩም፣ ግን እናንተ የኔን ድምፅ እንድትሰሙ ሞር አዳምጦ በዛ መልክ እናንተም የማዳመጥ ችሎታቸውን ፉቸሪስት የሆነ ላንጉጅ ቴስት እንግሊሽ ላይ ክሪቲካል ስኪል እንግሊሽ 1 እና 2 ላይ የማዳመጥ ቴስት ስላለ በዛው እናንተም ይሄንን ስታደርጉ በዚህ ወይ የሆነ ሰው ሲናገር ጽሁፉን ባስታዩት ራሱ እናንተ ምን ታደርጋላችሁ? ያንን አንደርስታንድ ታደርጋላችሁ ማለት ነው። ያ ማለት ከዚህ ልምድ ስትወስዱ ያንን ዲቨሎፕ ይሆናል ማለት ነው። ሶ ሞር ይሄም እሱ ይጠቅማችኋል። ሴክሽን ቢ ወይም ትሩ ፎልስ አለ። ትሩ ስቴት ኢንዲኬት ዌዘር ዘ ስቴትመንት ኢዝ ትሩ ኢዝ ቲ ትላላችሁ፣ ፎልስ ኢዝ ኤፍ፣ ፎልስ ከሆነ ኤፍ ትላላችሁ። ዚስ ኢዝ ኩዌሽን አንሰር ላይ ሞር አያስፈልግም። ኩዌሽን ነምበር 1 Question number 1, true or false? According to the text, critical thinking and higher order thinking are emphasized more in university than in many high school. According to the text or text ማለት ምንድነው? ይሄ ሎጂክ እና ክሪቲካል ቲንኪንግ ውስጥ እንዳሉ ጽሁፎች አጠቃላይ ነው። Critical thinking and higher order thinking are emphasized more in university than in many high schools. The answer is true. The answer is true. The answer is true. Question number 2. The principle of fairness in critical thinking demands that we always give equal weight to every viewpoint regardless of its merits. The principle of fairness in a critical thinking demands that we always give equal weight in every point, regardless of its merit. The answer is false. The answer is false. Question number 3. Egocentrism and the sociocentrism are both identified as powerful barriers to critical thinking. Dagma. Egocentrism and the sociocentrism are both identified as a powerful barriers to critical thinking. ተረድታችኋል? The answer is true. The answer is true. Question number 4. In an argument, the burden of proof always rests the person who is criticizing in claim. In an argument, the burden of the proof always rests on a person who is criticizing a claim. The answer is false. Question number 5. A formal fallacy can be found in both deductive and inductive argument. A formal fallacy can be found in both deductive and inductive argument. Question number 5. The answer is false. Question number 6. The straw man fallacy and the red herring fallacy both involve the misrepresentation of an opponent's argument. The straw man fallacy and the red herring fallacy both involve the misrepresentation of an opponent's argument. The answer is false. Question number 7. The fallacy of appall to ignorance asserts that claim is true simply because it has not been proven false. The fallacy of appall to ignorance asserts that a claim is true simply because it has not been proven false. The answer is true. Hast generalization is a false that Hast generalization is a fallacy that falls under the category of fallacy of weak induction. Hast generalization is a fallacy that falls under the category of fallacy of weak induction. The answer is true. Hast generalization fallacy that falls under category under fallacy of weak induction. Question number 9. The fallacy of convention and the division involve error transferring attributes between parties and the world. The fallacy of convention and the division involves errors in the transferring attribute between the parties and the worlds. Question number 9. The answer is true. Question number 10. The end or true false for these parties, but not the final. And the ad hominem circumstantial fallacy involves directly insulting or verbal abusing an opponent. The ad hominem circumstantial fallacy involves directly insulting or verbal abusing an opponent. The answer is false. ታንክ ዩ ኤቭሪባዲ እስካሁን ከኔ ጋር ስለቆያችሁ አመሰግናለሁ። አስተያየትም መስጠት ከፈለጋችሁ ኮሜንት ላይ መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ። እንደውም ላይክም ሼርም አድርጉ፣ ሰብስክራይብ አድርጉ። ያው ከዚህም በኋላ በቀጣይነት እግዚአብሔር ፍቃድ ከሆነ አንድ ላይ እንቀጥላለን እና የተለያዩ ኮርሶች ለመምጣት ፈልጋለሁ። እናንተን ደግሞ በየትኛው ኮርስ አንድ ላይ መርጃ አድርጌ የተለያዩ ቦታዎችን ፈላልጌ እንዲያቀርብ እንደምትፈልጉ ኮሜንቱ ላይ ማስቀመጣችሁን አትርሱ። እስካሁን ከኔ ጋር ስለነበራችሁ እጅግ አድርጌ አመሰግናለሁ። መልካም የእውቀትም የንባብም እንደዚሁም የነፃነትም ይሆንላችሁ ብዬ አስባለሁ። አመሰግናለሁ።